Hello everyone, my name is Marie Holloway and this presentation summarizes my unit of instruction titled Putting the Service in Student Services. This professional development course is designed for higher education staff and focuses on building empathy, communication, and problem-solving skills that support equitable student-centered service. This project originated from the goal of improving the student experience through staff development. The 6-week unit helps staff in student-facing departments develop stronger communication, empathy, and problem-solving skills, 3 competencies that are essential to equitable support. My teaching philosophy emphasizes curiosity, reflection, and engagement. Inspired by Socrates, I strive to create environments that encourage learners to think critically and deeply. This philosophy shaped every decision, ensuring that participants are active, not passive, in their learning journey. The course includes 6 modules, progressing from foundational concepts to advanced application. This structure intentionally scaffolds learning according to Bloom's taxonomy, moving from understanding and applying concepts to evaluating and creating professional responses. Each module builds on the previous modules, starting with the foundations of customer service. Then participants learn core communication skills, including active listening, and then progress through learning cultural responsiveness, problem-solving skills, how to apply institutional knowledge in practice, and finally, this is all tied together with professionalism and emotional intelligence. The central course level outcome is performance-based. Staff will apply communication, empathy, and problem-solving skills to authentic service contexts as measured through applied and reflective assessments. The graphic shown here represents the phases of Bloom's taxonomy as learners progress from factual knowledge to conceptual, to procedural, to metacognitive knowledge, or from remembering and understanding to applying and ultimately evaluating and creating. The syllabus adheres to backward design principles, beginning with the end goal, which is student-centered service, and working backward to structure the learning. Each module includes measurable outcomes and assessments that scaffold toward mastery of the course level outcome. Shown here are images of the syllabus showing the course description, course outcome, module topics, and module outcomes. Notice that Module 2 focuses on core communication skills. This module was used for the instructional media piece and assignment that I will share soon. I'd like to call out from the last page of the syllabus towards the bottom the pedagogical rationale, which is aligned with Bloom's taxonomy. The course follows a scaffolded cognitive progression. Modules 1 and 2 focus on remembering, understanding, and applying foundational principles. Modules 3 and 4 progress to analyzing and evaluating complex student services situations. Modules 5 and 6 culminate in the creation of new professional strategies and the assessment of continuous improvement. Deliberate cognitive sequencing ensures student services staff build from conceptual awareness to professional mastery, fostering both confidence and competence. The instructional media piece, active listening and action, models the 3 A's of effective communication, which are attend, acknowledge, and ask. The short narrated video illustrates practical communication techniques and features accessibility options, including captions and transcripts. You can watch the full video by clicking on the link, but I'll share a brief clip explaining the 3 A's. This case-based assignment, The Frustrated Returning Student, enables participants to apply what they learned from the video. Learners identify communication barriers, apply the 3 A's, and reflect on how their choices shape student experiences, bridging Bloom's apply and evaluate levels. I've included an assignment overview, the case study, and a numbered list of action items. Notice that learners are instructed to review the video, read the case study, and then identify, explain, apply, and reflect. The rubric ensures fair and transparent assessment. Each criterion uses Bloom's aligned verbs, such as apply, analyze, and evaluate, to clarify expectations. This alignment also helps learners assess their progress. Shown here is a sample of the full rubric. The performance levels are exemplary, proficient, acceptable, and unacceptable. The end-of-course survey gathers both quantitative and qualitative feedback. It asks participants to rate course design, instruction, and their learning experience while offering space for comments to inform future revisions. There are some open-ended questions included at the end of the survey. This course draws from 3 complementary design models. ADDIE provided a clear framework for structure and evaluation. Agile supported flexibility through feedback, and backward design ensured all elements aligned with the end goal. I selected 2 primary strategies, case-based learning and reflective practice, because they support professional application and metacognition. Combined with multimedia scaffolding, they help learners progress from explaining concepts to applying and evaluating them. Through this project, I learned how intentional design impacts learning outcomes. Using Bloom's taxonomy to scaffold content ensures that learners move from understanding to meaningful application. I also discovered how accessibility strengthens engagement. This experience reinforced my belief in reflective learner-centered design. The principles from this project will guide my professional practice, especially in developing staff training that centers on empathy, equity, and continuous improvement. As I wrap up this presentation, I'd like to pose a reflection question to you. How can empathy and active listening transform your interactions with students and colleagues? I'll close by sharing the list of references that contributed to this project. Thank you for your interest in my unit of instruction, and I look forward to your feedback.